First, open Spotify on your PC and log into your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down until you find Your Library section and enable the option that says Show Local Files. Then, click on Add a Source. Here, you'll need to select the folder on your computer where your music files are stored. This can be your music folder or any other folder that contains MP3 files. Once you've added the folder, all your local music will appear in the Local Files section under your library. To use this music in playlists, simply select Songs and create a new playlist. Now, to access this music on other devices, open Spotify on your phone or tablet and go to the Library tab. You'll see your playlist there with your uploaded songs ready to stream. You've successfully uploaded your music and can now access it on Spotify across your devices. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching.